The reason why TikTok they mute videos where your song dey inside sometimes now because you they unknowingly infringe on the agreements and rights where TikTok as a platform gets with publishers and distribution companies. Now, you they unknowingly do this thing most of the time because you actually, sometimes they read the terms and conditions, or those if you want to distribute song now, or if you want to use a distribution company, they go say these are our terms and conditions, click to agree. Sometimes, or most of the times, we know they read them, we just click agree and just post within one post. I know say now you write the song because most of the time when people reach out, few messages where people don't just say, I post my song, post a video with my song. The TikTok mutes the video saying this, but now my song. You get, so when they say now my song, waiting they try let you know now be say I'm not supposed to get issue. Now, the moment you choose to use a distribution company or a music publisher, what you they do now, you they transfer rights. No be ownership. You they transfer rights to them. So now them get the right to generate license on how to use that song where you give them. You get my point? License na permission. So make we paint the picture practically now again. TikTok as a platform, Meta, which is Facebook, Instagram, and all these social media, they need songs to keep their users going. Abi, you yourself will be artist, you be user on Facebook, you be user on TikTok. Those accounts where they create, that's like user accounts. You understand? Now, these platforms, Facebook, Meta generally, and TikTok, they need songs so that their users go take continually, they use their platform actively. Now, Meta and TikTok, normally they're supposed to come to you as an artist. Can't say, Alpha, we need your song on our platform. They feel come to me, Key Songs, say, Alpha, Key Songs, we need your song on your platform. They feel go Wizkid, we need your song on your platform. But how many people you think say they won't go meet one? It's not possible. So you understand? So that's where the music publishers and the distribution companies come in. Because now the distribution company they stand as middleman to collect these songs from we will be creators. So distribution company and publishers collect the whole thing and give Meta and ByteDance, that is a TikTok generally. TikTok. Mokuno put on ByteDance actually. We say TikTok. They'll say, oh yeah, TikTok, we don't gather songs. How far? When I want use songs from our catalog, if I want make we publisher, music publisher, most say Centric, for instance now, could they tell TikTok, say how far? We get songs, catalog and all of that. If I want make we be Centric license songs we dey for our catalog by our songwriters to una platform, see the terms and conditions where e go be. Una no go fit use more than 1 minute of the song. Now there the wahala they always come in. You understand? Because most of the time where people you say, they mute my song, you find out that them post more than 1 minute of that song. So the agreement with between TikTok and music publishers in general, now say how far any song we go dey on a platform, it no go pass 1 minute. So you, while we be artist, can still be a user on TikTok platform. You know they entitled to using more than 1 minute of the song because now your song. No. You know they more than entitled to posting more than 1 minute of the song because now your song. As far as say you go TikTok create account, you just be user. The people where you be artists to now, the distribution company like DistroKid where you distribute the song to, you be artist to them. So now them you give rights to create license, which is permission for how you, Kwawe be user, go use this song on TikTok. I don't know if it makes sense. You be artist, you give rights to DistroKid, right, to put your song on streaming platforms. The moment you give DistroKid the right, you click that I agree. You don't give them rights to decide how that your song would they used on streaming platforms. So now DistroKid and TikTok go strike the agreement saying, hey, this song wey Key Songs drop with us for DistroKid, na DistroKid go generate the type of, how the people go dey use am on TikTok. So even if you now as artist still come to TikTok, create a TikTok page, say you want to use TikTok to promote your song, you go maintain the agreement wey DistroKid gets with TikTok on how you go use that song. That's the only thing wey dey play. So even on Meta too, sometimes when you post video, you go say this video was muted because it was not in some region, kinikon. Meta as a platform, never secure rights and license to use that your same song for some countries. That's just the only thing where they play. So no think say, because now your song, you dey entitled to post 5 to 10 minutes of while other people fit just post 30 seconds. No. Now just the rights and agreements now you dey infringe without knowing. So that one way you go post your 1 minute video or my response most of the time now, try and post 30 seconds. And if them post 30 seconds, you go come work. She understand? So it still go a little bit further. Again, I no be lawyer. These things now, waiting lawyer supposed to explain, give you. So I no be lawyer. Do your own research. No take. You get my point? So even on TikTok too, you get some other things where some people go say their page no get if they won't post their song, they know if you find their song for TikTok library, they go say it's not licensed for commercial use. That one now a different license entirely. In fact, you get sometimes where say you go distribute your song through a distribution company, but that your song no go there for CapCut, but you go there for TikTok library. Now, you go there for TikTok library, no mean say people where they use TikTok business page likely no go see them. That's a separate, different license. So ByteDance in general, right, look like they get different license for different account users, something like that. You understand? So in summary, next time when you post your video for TikTok, make sure say you post at least 30 seconds or 45 seconds. If you want make you post the long video, we contain that content, that music where you don't already give rights to distribution company. We contain copyrighted content anyway, more important like that. Make sure say na just 59. The only video where you fit post on TikTok way long, maybe 30 minutes, 1 hour. Now video like this where we say you dey talk, you dey freshly create the copyright. Me now I dey talk now, I dey create this thing. I no put any background music will be like 10 minutes under them. Even if I want to put background music for this one, I go my keyboard, play the music fresh. You understand? Create something specifically for this particular purpose. Where we say I no go distribute them for streaming platform. Where we say the streaming platform go I no go distribute them for what they call them through a distribution company. Where we say the distribution company now go can't be the right holder to decide how we go they use on streaming platforms or other platforms where I go use them. So you understand? So that's waiting go solve them. Post 30 seconds or at most 45 seconds and everything go soft for everybody. You get your point. So now here we're going to this very matter for today. I'll do it for comment session.